All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the view menu. So if I click on view, we can look at views. So we have read mode, print layout, and web layout, outline and draft. Those are all the different views you can check out. You can also do those down here. So read mode, print layout, and web layout. We have immersive, so focus. Focus is also right here. And immersive reader. Switch to immersive editing experience that helps improve your reading skills. Okay. Page movement, so we can do vertical, side to side. Show, ruler, grid lines, navigate pan. Okay, we can turn all those on and off. Zoom, we can zoom here. You can also zoom right here. Let's zoom in. This is zoom out. We can set it to 100%, one page, multiple pages, page width. And then we have new window, arrange all, split, and then window. View side by side, synchronize scrolling, reset window position, switch windows, macros, and SharePoint. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.